Welcome to Clarien iBank. Enjoy the freedom to bank whenever you want, wherever you are, with 24/7 access from your desktop or on the go with Clarien iBank Mobile. In this video, we will highlight the ease of transferring funds between your Clarien accounts. Let's get started. To begin, click on Payments and Transfers. Then, choose Own Accounts Transfer. Select the From account or the account you wish to transfer from. Then, select the To account or the account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. You may change the currency in the drop-down options next to the Amount field. Select Single Transfer for a one-time transaction or Repeated Transfer to automatically set up future payments. You may change your send date as needed. Add comments regarding the transfer, then click Submit. Review the Confirm Payment screen. Click Confirm to complete your transaction or Cancel to make changes. When the transaction is successfully completed, a cyber receipt is available for confirmation. Click Return to go back to your My Portfolio dashboard. Your Own Accounts transfer is now scheduled. This concludes your Clarien iBank Own Accounts transfer demonstration. We hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions, our team is available to help. Please call us on 441-296-6969 or email servicecenter@clarienbank.com. Thank you for entrusting Clarien with your banking needs.